Hello everyone. So today how we will learn how to make things plural in Spanish, el plural. So now I'll tell you the three basic rules. So rule number first, if it's ending with a vowel a e I o u, you will add s. For example, bolígrafo is ending with a o, so you will add s to make it plural. Bolígrafos. So bolígrafo is pen, bolígrafos is pen. So this is the rule number first. Now coming on the rule number second, I want you guys to write in your notebook as well. So rule number second, if it's ends with a consonant, you will add es. For example, profesor is professor. So now in Spanish you will make it plural, profesores. Es, it's ending with the r is a consonant, so you have to check the ending when you are making the things plural in Spanish. So here it was ending with the o, that is a vowel, so you have put s here to make it plural. Here it is ending with a consonant, r is a consonant, anything apart from a vowel, that is consonant. So here you have add es. Now the last rule number third, if it ends with a z, you will replace z with the ces. Just remember, you will replace here. Okay, so lapis, I don't know, lapis is ending with a z, that means pencil. So lapises, when you're making it plural, you will say lapises. Yes, now you can see it. Lapis, lapises, that will be removed by ces. So these were the three rules. First rule, वॉवल से एंड हो रहा है तो एस आएगा, कॉन्सोनेंट से ऐड हो रहा है तो ई एस आएगा, और इफ इट्स एंड विद द जेड यू विल रिप्लेस द जेड विद द सी ई एस. ओके, so I think 3 rules are clear to you. Now what you have to do, you will do this exercise here. I have mentioned here. I'll attach on the drive link so you can open the exercise, or even you can take the screenshot. So you will make these 15 words plural. Okay, now the next activity, what will you do, this is the page number 10. Mi primer contacto con el español, that means my first contact with Spanish, chapter first. As we have done with the chapter first, you can see the meanings. You can see some words with the alphabets: avión, barco, cielo, chica. So these all are the singular ones. So what you have to do, you have to make them plural. So avión, aviones. N है, consonant है, you will put es here. So I want you, all of you guys will do this activity, and if you have any doubt you can ask me and do this activity, send me the answers. And there's one more thing, they those is already plural, they those s है, already plural है. Now rest of them you can make them plural. So do this exercise in your notebook as well. Write down all the words, avion, barco, cielo, chica. Write down line wise and then make them plural. I'll show you once how to do that. This is your book. You will mention activity or actividad. I'm writing activity here. You will write down the date. Now I'll write down the first, that is avion. Now I'll make it plural. Aviones. Aviones, aeroplanes. Yes. Second is barco, is ending with the O. So you will make it plural. You will add S here, ending with a ending with a vowel. Okay? I think this is clear. You can do this activity now in your notebook like that. So till then, bye bye. We'll see you in the next class.